Hey everyone, goal of strong and well thought out Dreame D9 Max Gen 2 robot vacuum is to make cleaning your house easier and less complicated. Its sleek, contemporary design creates a strong first impression as soon as you take it out of box. It comes in black and white finishes and has sleek, rounded appearance that is typical of modern robot vacuums. With diameter of 13.8 inches and a height of only 3.8 inches, it can be effortlessly tucked under furniture to provide more thorough cleaning in difficult-to-reach places. Its LiDAR sensor, which allows for intelligent home navigation, is housed in a covert dome on top of device. You may start or stop cleaning and return it to its dock using two physical buttons on top. The plastic design is lightweight and feels sturdy, which is crucial for both convenience of use and avoiding harm to your furniture while it's in use. When you turn Robot over, you'll see a hybrid main brush composed of bristles and rubber, as well as a single side brush with silicone bristles for long-term endurance and ease of maintenance. Particularly useful in homes with pets or long-haired residents, this mixture helps lessen hair tangling. A modest but nice usability addition is 270 milliliter water tank that is attached underneath. It clicks neatly into place without requiring the vacuum to be flipped. Velcro secures the microfiber mopping cloth, which also has a tiny guide pocket to make sure it's fastened correctly. In addition to a 570 milliliter dustbin for collecting dirt and debris, the Dreame D9 Max Gen 2 also contains a tiny brush tool with a cutter for removing hair and debris. One of the vacuum's best characteristics is its 6,000 pascal suction force, which gives it the strength to clean both hard floors and carpets of anything from dust and crumbs to more difficult to remove material. Its adept handling of minor off-road obstacles was one surprising highlight. Without your assistance, it can scale obstructions up to 20 millimeters high, such door thresholds or little mats. One of the D9 Max Gen 2's few drawbacks is cable clutter. Fortunately, after you've laid out your area, you can use the Dreame app to designate no-go areas. If you have places where cables or fragile items are likely to cause problems, this function is crucial. Another advantage is battery life. The D9 Max Gen 2 is ideal for medium to large houses because it can operate for up to 285 minutes on a single charge. It automatically returns to the dock, charges, and then starts cleaning again when the battery runs low. Maintenance is not very difficult. It is simple to reach, empty, and refill the water tank and dustbin. Cleaning the brushes and sensors is simple, and if you allow notifications, the app can even remind you to perform maintenance. Another advantage is battery life. The D9 Max Gen 2 is ideal for medium to large houses because it can operate for up to 285 minutes on a single charge. It automatically returns to the dock, charges, and then starts cleaning again when the battery runs low. Maintenance is not very difficult. It is simple to reach, empty, and refill the water tank and dustbin. Cleaning the brushes and sensors is simple, and if you allow notifications, the app can even remind you to perform maintenance. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new robot? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.